Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the camera application getting crashed in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, this is a request which has been asked by few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. As you can see, after the recent update, the camera application is sometimes getting crashed automatically. That's the one thing, and it's not closing at all. I'll try to explain what is the scenario exactly, what is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2 in the live demonstration as well. So this is the exact latest update which I'm trying to run, as you can see friends, which is a August security patch update, and there is a features which is improved app stability. But after this update, it's not stable at all friends, trust me. I'm not sure how many users are actually facing this kind of issues, but I'll try to demonstrate what is happening with the application at this moment. Here's the camera application, as you can see friends. Try to open the camera application multiple times. Sometimes it doesn't allow you to close. After closing, as you can see, you did see that change happening, right? Sometimes. So don't worry about the live wallpaper. Even if I change the live wallpaper as well, still you will be facing this kind of issue. Some people, they did mention that if you use live wallpaper, this kind of things will happen. I wanted to show you exactly what is happening. Closing multiple times and opening, what is happening is that sometimes the app is getting not closed and it's getting crashed automatically. So right now it's not happening in front of the camera, but it did happen a couple of times. That is the reason I'm trying to exactly demonstrate what is happening in this phone. I did try to use the device, and let me know in the comment section below friends, under what scenario you are facing the app crash issues, like while you're recording or while you're taking pics, while you're using the front camera or while you're using 4K recording, something like that. Let me know in the comment section below under what scenario you are facing the application getting crashed. That is what I just want to know. So if you're using full screen gestures, the app is getting crashed, or if you're using navigation gestures, it's getting crashed. So these are the small details which I definitely needed friends, because right now I did see a couple of times happening in this device exactly after updating to the latest version within this few hours of time. But right now in front of the camera, it's not happening at this moment. I'm not sure why, but when it's happening, I did not take the recording. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you are having this kind of experience, let me know in the comment section below. So sorry for that, not demonstrating, but I did face 2 or 3 times in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. And one more final thing is about this OnePlus Nord 2 camera crashing issue. So this is not only happening in my device, it's also happening in a few of the other phones as well. That is the reason I thought of making this kind of video, just to bring the awareness what is happening. And let me know in the comment section below friends, under what circumstance you are facing the camera closing issues, please. So I'll test those circumstances in my device as well, and I'll be making a video as well very soon. So stay tuned for this video friends, and meanwhile signing off. Bye.